And we're live. Hey everybody, got my favorite let's turn it. Let's turn it. Uh-huh. You know that lady. Starbucks. Today I got to go shopping. I have to go out and mingle with the masses that don't know anything about crypto. I'm sad. But for those of you that do, let's just jump right into the trading. I'm showing here LTC, BTC on the Coinbase chart for the 1 day. Now, I was talking just briefly about that the other day. Look at this massive 1 day spike right here where we're just gaining. Litecoin is picking up and gaining against Bitcoin. I had said in my last video that, when it's bad, you should probably be in Bitcoin, but when it's good, Litecoin rockets way higher. And look at this week chart here, and we'll condense it. You can see how it follows a very, and once it starts in a trend, it'll run with it. So hopefully we're seeing a bottom here, and it'll be better to be in Litecoin on the way up. And now let's move on to just Bitcoin USD. Let's see what it's been doing here. Move on to the day chart, and oh, look at that, moving up here. Bitcoin's been running. It's been doing pretty good. We are at currently $6,440. Wow, our low was 6,313. Interesting. Okay, so we've been doing pretty good here. How about Litecoin? Let's move on up. Oh, Litecoin's looking just as good, maybe even better. You can see Litecoin's up 8.7% while Bitcoin's only up 1.7%. So Litecoin's doing even better. I'm telling you guys, Litecoin is the one to be in on the way up. Let's check this out. How about if we check out Ethereum, because it's been down. Oh, Ethereum looks good too. Wow. Okay. Man, it's good to see all of the three, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all doing really, really well. It looks like we're going to get a golden cross on the 1 day here on Ethereum. That's exciting. Maybe we could look for it not just to test, because see, back here I was hoping that it would come up here and test it, and it actually went higher. So now I'm going to readjust my thought process, and since we're getting a golden cross, let's reach for the sky. Let's reach for the stars. Here we go. Alrighty, here it is. Ethereum, my target. I hope it goes to 235. Yeah, I think that should work. All right, I'm gonna go large big screen on here, and there you go. Moving on to Veritasium. Veritasium has, well, it still looks to me like, let's move into the 5 minute and see if we can see. There it is, the massive sell wall. See that? See this sell wall? And it looks like it moved down because it was up here. There it is. Okay. So yeah, big sell wall. We had a dump and the sell wall came down and moved again. So Veritasium, let's move back to the day chart. Veritasium, you probably don't want to be in it right now. That's not financial advice. But I think we're trading in this channel here. So let's pull out my terrible Fibonacci retracement, because I'm not really the best at this, but I think that we could go down to 4.1 is still my target. We'll try that. Something like this, right? Before we start going higher. So look for that, fellas. All right. How about Proppy? Let's look at that. That has been running. It is red hot. It's going real good. Here you go. Here's Proppy moving on up. We had that golden cross right here, and it's just been doing so well ever since. We did get to our target. I was hoping we'd go topside above the Kumo cloud, and we did, but where to now? Let's look at the day chart. Okay. If this thing curls over, I think I would get out. But so far it's still running up good. So let's stay in proppy for now. How about Tron? Little Tron update. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I was saying that Tron, I was thinking it was gonna, fall out of bed and get below the Kumo cloud. It did. It poked its head out below the Kumo cloud, and we're getting some upward momentum. But I think it's still gonna consolidate in, and I'm gonna move this over here. So there you go. All right. I think it's still going to consolidate in the Kumo cloud, but this is still very much a possibility right here. I'm not, according to the day chart, I'm not totally sold on it going bullish yet, but it could. It could. We've got a golden cross coming here soon, which would be really helpful. But yeah, I would look for even more sideways action and consolidation. But let's look at theta. All right, theta. Theta is above the Kumo cloud and above the Tekkensen, so this is really good. This is still showing strength. We've had a little bit of consolidation, but nothing drastic. It's still going to trade sideways, and I think we're going to get over this hump before we sell off. So I'm just going to throw this in there as well. It might not. It might retest. We might retest that. Come over the hump and retest it. So yeah, that's what I got here. OMG. How about that one? OMG, it has been beat down so bad. If you look at the day chart and we just kind of look at how long of a pullback it's had, this thing could go this would be a great time to buy OMG. I'm just saying that. I think it's looking really good for OMG. I would love to see a breakout here of OMG to the top side right here. So let's look for that to hopefully happen. All right, guys. Again, if there's any coin you want looked at, I would be happy to just post in the comments what you'd like to see, and I'll give a shout out to you and do a quick review of the coin that I see, and we'll go into probably a little more depth for you. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Thank you for visiting me today and KicknGravel, and talk to you soon. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.